Alright, so once again, good morning everyone. Now, we will proceed about what are waves and how are they made. So, where are waves coming from? What are the sources of those energies which usually creates what we call waves? So what you guys understand about waves? It's like swinging, swirling, and then the shapes of the line up and down with curves. So that's basically how we describe waves. And remember, waves are form of energy too. Waves can create another form of energy that can be used for living things or living organisms, and of course to mankind. So what are these types of waves and how those waves are being produced? Through this one, we have what we call mechanical waves, right? So what mechanical waves is all about? Mechanical waves, a wave that can travel only through matter. So what are those examples? Okay, it could be those waves or energy, wave energy. It depends on the level of waves. It can travel and clearly visible in air and water, at the sea, in the river. Okay, so the flow of current might also be present. Okay, so it can travel only through matter. There's especially for liquid or fluid component or gaseous component, and most of all, solid matter. We also have another type of waves. We have what we call electromagnetic waves. A transverse wave that can travel through empty space and through matter. Okay? So basically, those are what we call visible light. Electromagnetic waves, simply, this means a visible light. Coming from where? Okay, direct from the sun. So, the light coming from the sun contains ultraviolet rays. There's also infrared. Okay, and remember, there are gamma rays, and then some light, okay, highly reactive lights that can be used for X-rays. Then for radar, okay, for our telecommunication sites or broadcasting network. Then network for our televisions. So those things are part of radio waves. Then radio station, both FM and AM station. Okay, so of course, okay, our connections for wireless or Wi-Fi connections. Okay, so this will also helpful for as part of the optics, with AIS, the data, okay, our internet providers, right? So this is usually operates by using electromagnetic waves. Another point we have to remember, transverse waves, a wave in which disturbance is perpendicular to the direction of the wave which travels. So that's why, so this one, transverse waves, okay, usually occur in different directions. There is what we call amplitude, crest, and through in this one. And then another one we have longitudinal waves. Okay, a wave in which the disturbance is parallel to the direction of the wave which travels. So we have to remember that those waves are also important when it comes to various applications in our daily life activities. Okay? So waves always begin with a source of energy that causes back and forth or up and down disturbance or movement. So there is always up and down direction of lines, which is usually visible, okay, based on the energy level that happens in different types of matter. Either it is present in solid when it comes to sound energy, then it is usually present in fluid component, okay, like in the oceans, at the sea, or even in a freshwater ecosystem. So those things, okay, might also create, okay, patterns or movement, and then the level of energy present from time to time. So there we go.